Hi everyone, it's Steve here. Thanks for tuning into my review. Before we dive into it, if you are interested in having my coach build your entire internet marketing business and guide you until you reach $10,000 per month, then you need to check out the first link in the description. Now let's get back to the review. When you grab this product from the second link in the description, you will automatically receive 4 fantastic bonuses. Bonus number 1, I will show you my proven method in how to get 250,000 fresh email subscribers every single week. This is no gimmick. It's just a straightforward guidance on where to find them and how to use them with your self-hosted autoresponder. This is something that I would help you set up for as low as $3 to $12 per month. This becomes very affordable, even with an email list of over 5 million subscribers. Number 2, you will discover the free traffic method that I am currently using to drive tons of visitors to my websites, offers and blogs. This bonus will be delivered to you at no extra cost, but only when you buy this product. Number 3, this is the YouTube video ranking guide, which will show you the secrets to ranking your YouTube videos first on the platform. It will ensure maximum visibility and traffic to your offers. Bonus number 4, you will get your own offers to promote. I'm going to give you one of my coach's top selling courses, the Empire course. You get 100% commission throughout the sales funnel to promote this Empire course as your own. If you're eager to access these bonuses, check out the product that I'm reviewing right now, then you need to click the second link in the description. And remember, if you're serious about building an internet marketing business, the first link is where you need to go. Okay, let's see what this product is really all about. Don't forget to check out those links.
Email marketing is the best way to land huge profits again and again. Did you know that on average, people check their email 15 times a day? And that there are 4 billion email users every single day? Email marketing is gigantic. And it's set to keep growing. With the email marketing industry set to be worth over $22 billion by 2024, $22 billion. But the latest Yahoo and Google update is affecting all email servers. With so much money to make and so many people to email, the time to become an email marketing master is now. But what if you don't have the knowledge or experience to succeed at email? What if you don't have a list of high-converting, top-quality emails? Don't worry. Has got you covered. Ultimate AI tool in email marketing. The world's premier autoresponder compliant with Gmail and Yahoo's February 2024 update to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers with no monthly fee. And if you don't have the leads, it helps you build top quality lists with just one click. Create unlimited email swipe using the power of ChatGPT. You're guaranteed to get the verified leads to your autoresponder. Because there's social media email. You can send unlimited emails, generate unlimited leads, and create an unlimited email swipe using ChatGPT. Claim your instant access now and get started today. You build high-converting, top-quality email lists to let you email your lists unlimited times with just one click. You're covered with a 30 days money-back guarantee. And, for a limited time, we're offering you an incredibly low, one-time fee that gives you lifetime access. Grab your lifetime access to you still can. And start claiming your share of the $22 billion fortune today.